It is not the fire that dazzles the eyes, but the quiet warmth that never dies. It is not the roses dressed in bloom, but the hand that brightens your darkest room. It is not the words that world applauds, but the silent prayers no one records. When beauty fades with passing years, love still listens through your tears. For hearts that choose through joy and strife don't merely fall, they shape a life. Not a passing spark above, but a timeless echo called love.